So this is the newest Polish luxury vodka to hit the market. The name is ILLUMINATI vodka. It's 7 times distilled from rye, and it's aged in vats for 6 weeks after the distillation process, which gives it a very smooth and very luxurious taste. My name is James Warwick, and I'm the owner of this vodka. I first moved to Poland 3 years ago, and I decided to create this brand because Poland is the home of vodka. It's the country that's most well known for creating luxurious vodka products, and for me, I saw a gap in the market internationally to introduce a new, very high-end Polish vodka brand. So I am here at the CE Mergers and Acquisition Awards to show this brand to the top CEOs, company directors, company owners across Europe about this new and exciting product. So when you see this vodka in a bar or in a shop, do not hesitate to buy it. This is the best tasting vodka you will ever try in your life. This is an event for the top companies in the fastest growing European country and one of the most exciting developing markets out there.